I'm filming. This is gonna be like the start of the video.
Get your jacket.
I thought you had masks for us.
You had masks?
Yeah, I do. Dude, I texted my dad, bro.
Thank you.
We made it to Disneyland. Ready?
You messed with everything.
Yeah, it's probably shaky. I had to run all the way back to the car because I forgot to take the knife out of my pocket or my bag. But we made it. We're at Disneyland. Say hi to the vlog, people.
Hey, what's up?
Game plan for the day is, so we're at Disneyland right now, downtown. And we're just gonna walk around, I guess, go to the stores we want to go to. After this, we're gonna head back, I think play some basketball, and then they're gonna try out the racing simulator that I got for the first time and try out Formula One. So it should be a good day and we'll take you along. So we're gonna have a full comprehensive churro review by yours truly, Jagger Bell. So we're gonna base it off one, taste. Taste out of 10.
Taste out of 10. Solid 8.9.
8.9, okay, that's an 8.9. Now, lengthwise and looks, out of 10.
Very long. How I like it. I relate to it.
So, out of 10, what do you give it?
They're not all even on the thing, so I gotta give it like an 8.
Okay, that's an 8 out of 10 for length and looks. Now finally, price. Third factor is price.
$6? Well, this thing was like a foot long, so it's like $2 per inch. So pretty good, I feel like. So like, so like a 7.
Okay, 7 out of 10. So what was that, 7? No worries, thank you.
Damn, we got us in trouble.
So that's a 7. Okay, Connor, 7 plus, what was your second score, 8? 8.9. Let's just round it to 9. 7 plus 9, that's 16. And what was your first one? Is on taste. We're gonna give it like a 23 out of 30. Is that good with you? 23 out of 30, that's the final score of the churro at Disneyland. We are now leaving, is this California Adventure?
Yes.
We are now leaving California Adventure. We are gonna go back to downtown Disney to get a corn dog, and then we will see where we go from there and go on with our day. But this was our small little trip. I'm not focused because I didn't put autofocus on. But yeah, we're gonna head back to downtown Disney, get a corn dog, and probably head out. Ladies and gentlemen, we are back with the next comprehensive review of a Disneyland corn dog. All right, first one. On taste, what do you rate it out of 10 on taste?
10.
10.
10.
10?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
10 out of taste, so that's 10, Kevin, add that up. to nothing. Okay, next on the scale is size and looks.
No, it's a pretty
Let's
big
get
corn
a-
dog. And by looks, like you see how brown, look at like the, when it
Like, you
cooked,
can see it cooked evenly.
and then look, the inside's nice and soft, bro. Bro, definitely 10, bro, 10 again.
Dude, 10 again, okay. Got some high standards for this boy. Last but not least, price. I don't know how this one.
I have to go 5 on the price.
5 on the price. Again, it was $10 for the corn dog and then $2 for the drink and chips.
But I did get free chips.
Free chips.
Go up to a 6.5.
6.5. I don't need the calculator for that one.
I'd hope you can do the math on that one.
So that concludes. It is a 26.5 out of 30 for the comprehensive corn dog review at Disneyland. So we're in downtown Disney. Connor and Jagger are getting a corn dog. So we're gonna finish that. We're gonna eat that and we're gonna walk back to the car. I think the next plan is that we're gonna get lunch somewhere. It might be down by where we live or somewhere. But we're gonna get lunch and then we'll probably hit up the basketball court, play maybe 2v2 or some type of game there. So we will see you when we get down there. We are leaving downtown Disney, headed back to the car, and then we will, I think we're gonna head,
Why are you walking by yourself?
because I like vlogging by myself,
Damn.
and you guys won't be in it. We're heading back to the car.
Like us.
That's not true. Maybe. So yeah, we're heading back to the car. We're gonna head
In
home,
the car?
get the basketball, and then head to a court
What are they gonna be kicking out?
No, they're just gonna like bug you.
and play 2v2s or something like that. So we'll see you when we get there.
I don't think anyone's missed that bad yet.
Jagger, can you hold that for me? That one's like a complicated one. All right, we just ended the basketball session. Kevin and Jagger won. What was the score? 11 to 7? 5? 11-5. I do wish it was 7. It was 11 to 5. But it's good. We're all very, I mean, maybe some of us are in shape, but I'm not in shape. So it's pretty tiring. But it was fun nonetheless. So we're gonna head to C-Stu's house and play some Mario Kart. So see ya then.
I want to play.
Okay, so we're
Ready to clap
in my
everyone.
room. We're playing Formula One with the racing wheel, and this is all their guys' first time using it. And so we're doing 8 minutes per person. Fastest lap time wins, and the winner will get to choose their cornhole partner. And we're doing this at the Italy circuit, Monza.
So basically, winner gets Michael.
That's about it. So there's Jagger.
Oh no!
I'm actually
Stay on the track.
I may have a chance if Neil gets a lap in.
Yeah, dude. Honestly, just take it slow and get it a lap in.
That's outlined. I'll take inside corner all day.
So we will report back after Jagger's time is up.
All right, Jagger, how's your first?
All right, we started off pretty rough. No one thought I was gonna complete a lap. My first time was almost basically a 1:33, but then we were able to shave down 3 seconds on that hoe. So you know, I'm putting up some contention times. You know, I was only 6 seconds off Michael. So you know, I think that's pretty good.
All right, now on to Kevin. All right, Kevin, how did it go for your first time?
Alright, I'm not gonna lie, it was a lot harder, but than I thought it would be. I got a 131, but at least I was consistent enough, more consistent than Jagger, because at least I completed like 3-4 laps. He completed like maybe like 1.5.
Yeah.
And I think I have a better chance than him in this series.
Bring the camera over. So you're saying you're the loser version of Lewis Hamilton. Because Lewis, he's consistent at getting first, but you're consistent at getting last.
Hey, Connor didn't race yet. Connor didn't race yet. I can be second.
Oh, okay.
All right, we'll get back to you after Connor's race.
Say it.
Just say, yeah, Connor, how was your
First pick out last place.
how was your first time on the sim?
I'll be honest. I thought I was gonna do pretty shit.
Oh, there goes the timer.
Before the timer.
Yet. Oh my.
Yeah. I'm surprised at myself.
What was your time?
It was a 1.28.820.
Got it. So right now, Connor's in first place. Jagger's in second.
About your first pick being last.
No comment. We're gonna go. We're gonna
First pick for this next race.
We're gonna pick another track, and we'll see you then. So Jagger just finished the Australian
really finished.
Grand Prix. How was it?
I got a 26.386, so pretty good. Don't think anyone's gonna beat me.
He didn't finish it.
You know what,
So-
Kevin? I beat you last time.
If no one finishes it in one lap, then
Well,
I
someone's
guess-
gonna take it slow now.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it slow
Because
for
if he
one lap.
doesn't finish it, then Connor just can take as long as he wants.
So
No, Connor. All right.
we'll see where we are after Kevin
You have to get at
on the
least
Australian
under
Grand Prix.
2 minute time.
Kevin, how was your Australian Grand Prix experience?
It was good. I definitely did better than Jagger. I beat my time by 4 seconds. What did I get? A 130.
133.
133.
177.
177. So I guess that's the time to beat now, and we'll just see how Connor does.
Yeah.
I did better.
Everyone looked so pink.
Who are you? Connor didn't finish. Kevin won that one.
Easy.
We are doing the Bahrain Grand Prix circuit. So Connor's going first. You're going last. So Jagger's going second. Kevin's going last. So we'll see how that goes. We just finished driving on the sim for the first time. Connor was the winner. He won the 2 races out of the 3.
Milliseconds.
Jagger,
Got second
sadly,
place.
yeah, he got, well,
Second
Kevin got second place. And Jagger, yeah,
Got second the
that's
first
so
2.
exciting. We're gonna go play cornhole now. Whatever. So it's the end.
We'll have a
It's
rematch.
after cornhole. Me and Kevin took the dub.
Easy dub.
It was a crazy game. We're gonna place more tomorrow, and I'll try to film that. That way you guys get, you can understand what's going on between all of us. Yeah, it was a little dark, but me and Kevin won. It was best of 3. Played to 21. All the standard rules of cornhole. Okay, but that's it. We won.